Hey there, fellow travelers! Welcome to Zondi Land, your ultimate travel guide for exploring the world one adventure at a time. I'm Dan, your travel buddy, and I'm so excited to take you on this journey with me. Lacawan Island is a stunning tropical destination in Negros Occidental, Philippines. Known for its powdery white sand and crystal clear turquoise waters, the island offers a serene escape for visitors. It's relatively small and is just off the coast of Cadiz City. To get from Bacolod City to Lacawan Island, you can follow these steps. First, head to the North Bus Terminal in Bacolod City and take a bus or van bound for Cadiz City.
Dito ako sasakay na puntang Lacawan, Thailand. Yung North Terminal. So, ito yung terminal puntang Cadiz. Kung saan doon din ako bababa papuntang Lacawan Island. Ba yung sa ano? Pa Lacawan? Wala dyan. Ito? Sakay.
The travel time is about 1 to 1.5 hours. Buses are generally available throughout the day with both air-conditioned and non-air-conditioned options. The fare usually ranges from 100 to 150 pesos.
Barangay purpose dito sa sakay ng bicycle pa Lacawan Island.
Second, from the Cadiz City bus terminal, take a tricycle to Cadiz Viejo Port. This is the jump-off point for boats heading to Lacawan Island, and the tricycle ride takes about 10 to 15 minutes, costing around 150 pesos. And finally, at the port, buy your boat ticket to Lacawan Island.
Hello po, isa lang po. How much po pag isa? 550.
Boats run regularly and typically take about 20 to 30 minutes to reach the island. Note that the boat service usually stops in the late afternoon at 4 p.m. as the last trip, so plan to arrive earlier in the day to ensure you catch a ride to and from the island.
So ito yung building number, yung tayo nang tawagin, number 14. Ganito yung cottage number 19. So mamaya, pagbalik galing Lacawan, ito yung tricycle terminal. So pabalik ulit sa kung saan ako galing kanina. So kalakad kami papunta Kahuti. Bumili na lang ako ng adobo tsaka rice for lunch.
Ito lang?
Tapo, take out.
One of the main attractions in Lacawan is the floating bamboo bar, Tauhai Floating Bar, reputed to be the largest floating bar in Asia. This unique features allows visitor to relax, enjoy refreshing drinks, and even dive straight into the surrounding waters. Once on Lacawan, you'll find various facilities including the entrance counter for the island's resort and water activities. For a smooth trip, try to go early to allow time for any delays and to maximize your day on the island.
Meron kami
Last
meron kami 12:30, 2 p.m. tsaka last trip 4.
4 po. Dito lang din po pupunta.
Mamaya sir.
Okay po. Thank you. So dito yung port. Punta kami dito mamaya 4 p.m. So yun last check. Okay, lakad na tayo. Ganda ng walkway na to. Drive. Ang dami pa rin mga binibuild dito.
Lacawan is popular for its tranquil atmosphere and laid-back vibe, perfect for lounging on the beach, admiring the sunsets, and immersing yourself in the island's natural beauty.
This is my cottage. Dami namang bakante. Kakain muna ako. So binili ko chicken adobo and rice. Then my tubig. So they also have accommodation area here.
There are resort accommodations on the island, ranging from cozy cottages to comfortable villas, providing options for both day trippers and overnight visitors.
Among our room, sir, is 3,000 plus
Per night?
per night.
Yung pinakamura?
Yes po.
For one?
Good for 4 person.
Ito yung room 4-4?
Good for 4 po. Pull out bed yung dalawa side by side po.
Ah. 4-4? Kasya ba yun?
4. Ito po. Pull out po.
Pull out.
Yes po.
So,
Ayun po. Sa kabila din po. Yung may mga sariling CR po.
okay, so common CR.
Opo.
Pag ganito yung room. So, yun yung common bathroom. So, kanina walang mga CR dun sa pinuntahan natin. So, people can grill, mag-picnic, and usually day tour lang yung mga tao dito and they stay inside cottages. Ito yung restaurant nila. And they also have smaller huts. Patingin na huli mo. So, hinuli mo to gamit yung, nasaan yung pana? Ayun. Patingin. Tapos, patingin na huli mo. Anong mga isda ito?
Arab, nagaong na.
Oo nga, yung isa no. This is my lunch. Here we go.
With its scenic views, pristine beaches, and unique offerings, Lacawan Island is a gem in the Visayas region, appealing to both locals and international travelers looking for a memorable tropical getaway.
Okay, so it's 2 p.m. So we're going back to Bacolod. Dito ulit tayo sa port. Bye, Lahon!
Nagpamukha na sa Liganda, di ba na ikaw?
Mambucal Resort, located in Murcia, Negros Occidental, near Bacolod City, is a beautiful nature resort famous for its hot springs, lush forests, and waterfalls.
Morning! So, ngayon pupunta naman tayo sa Mambucal Hot Spring. Mag-try tayo mag-commute.
To get from Bacolod City to Mambucal Resort in Murcia, Negros Occidental, here's a step-by-step guide. First, go to the Ceres South Bus Terminal in Bacolod City, and from here, you'll be able to find the jeeps or minibuses going to Mambucal.
Yan, ito yung Mambucal na bus.
Second, look for a jeepney or minibus bound for Mambucal Resort. These vehicles usually have signs indicating their destination. The ride takes about 45 minutes to 1 hour, depending on traffic, and the fare is usually around 50 to 60 pesos. Finally, arrive at Mambucal Resort. The jeepney or minibus will drop you off directly at the entrance of Mambucal Resort. You'll be able to access the resort facilities, pay the entrance fee, and enjoy the natural attractions and amenities. The trip is relatively straightforward as Mambucal is a popular destination and public transportation is readily available for day trippers and overnight visitors alike.
145 for the day tour.
It's a good idea to check the last trip back to Bacolod City if you're not planning to stay overnight, as return trips may be limited in the evening. You may return to Bacolod around 3 to 4 p.m. before the last trip. One of the main attractions at Mambucal is its 7-tiered waterfalls. Visitors can hike through the forest trails to explore each waterfall, and some areas are suitable for swimming.
So, bundok siya. So, parang forest. Check natin yung waterfalls nila dito.
The trek offers scenic views of the mountain landscape and rich vegetation, though reaching the upper falls can be challenging. Unfortunately, numbers 1 to 6 waterfalls are not currently accessible since 2021 due to landslide brought by Typhoon Odette. The government set restrictions due to safety hazards brought by the landslide. Fortunately, number 7 falls can be accessed by a 10 to 15 minute motorbike and 15-minute trek.
Pag pupunta ng 7 falls, need mag-rent ng motorbike. So, 300 balikan. Punta muna ako dun. Kuya Ranel, magiging guide ko. Ito yung sasakay na yung bike. Maglalakad na tayo, kuya. Yan. Mga 15 minutes tayo nagmotor, no? Or 10. Isda to? Ano mga isda? Akoy at tilapia. Bali yung daan ganito lang. Oh. Ilang minutes to? Mga 10? 15 minutes.
the prominent angle. Find the square feet of the triangular man who always had the land in you.
The resort is also known for its natural hot sulfur springs, which are perfect for relaxation.
Okay natin. Warm na.
There are hot spring pools where guests can soak and unwind, benefiting from the spring's therapeutic properties. Additionally, Mambucal has a cold spring pool and a larger swimming pool, ideal for cooling off. Other activities include boating on the lagoon, zip lining, wall climbing, and visiting the butterfly garden. Mambucal is also a sanctuary for a large population of fruit bats, which hang from the trees throughout the resort. Accommodations at Mambucal range from basic cottages and rooms to more comfortable villas, allowing guests to stay overnight. There are also picnic areas, food stalls, and restaurants for day trippers. With its diverse attractions and facilities, Mambucal Resort is a popular spot for both locals and tourists who want to enjoy the natural beauty and the therapeutic experiences in Negros Occidental. This is On The Land, your favorite travel buddy. Thanks for watching!